Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to set up multi-streaming in Streamlabs OBS. Well, to do that, open your Streamlabs application. Then in here, click on the Get Ultra button to go to the official website of Streamlabs application, where you can subscribe to the Streamlabs Ultra. You can see now the official website of Streamlabs, where you can subscribe to the Streamlabs Ultra plan. Then after you subscribe to this plan, click on the multi-stream tab. Then you can log in with existing accounts or add new ones. If adding a new platform, click on Add Destination. Then name it and paste the host URL and stream key. Then repeat for each platform. In general settings, make sure confirm stream title and game before going live is checked. If not, enable related options. When ready, click Go Live, then select the platforms you want to stream to. Add a title and description, then click Confirm and Go Live. And that's how to set up multi-streaming in Streamlabs OBS. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.